Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, you are most welcome and I hope that you keep coming back. My name is Anthea Tate-Harte. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell on the right to turn on notifications so you'll know every time I post new content. Please watch this video till the end. Today I will show you guys how I trim and shape my eyebrows. For this process, you'll need an eyebrow spoolie, an eyebrow razor, nail scissors or facial hair scissors, and a sharpened eyebrow pencil. With the eyebrow spoolie, I am going to brush through my eyebrows in upward motion, and with the eyebrow pencil, I will outline the eyebrows, and this will help guide me on what shape I want to have. Without blending in the outlines that I've made with the eyebrow pencil, I'm going to take my spoolie and brush through the hair in upward motion and then hold, and then I will trim all the hairs that are protruding, all the hairs that go above the outline that I've just made. Like this. Let me come closer to the camera. So I am going to cut out all of this hair that is above the outline that I made. All of this. Repeat this until all the hairs that are protruding are gone. If you don't have so much eyebrow hair, you don't have to brush downwards and cut out the hair that is protruding, because this is going to leave patches. What I mean is, you don't have to do this and cut this hair out, because if you do, it may leave patches. I don't, because I think this looks perfect. When I'm done trimming the overgrown protruding hairs, I start to shave my eyebrow to give it more definition and shape. So using the eyebrow razor, I am going to shave under my eyebrow to get rid of all those little hairs that are just coming out. Hold your razor at an angle like this, just tilt it slightly against your skin so that you don't cut into your skin, and don't make it lay flat because you won't be able to get anything like that. And then pull on your skin to make it a little bit more firm and to help the razor glide much easier. And after, shave above your eyebrow too, just like this. If you like, you can shave the space between your eyebrows, just like this. Carefully, without cutting any of your eyebrow hair out. Shave until the middle from one side, and then shave until the middle from the other side. Please brush through your eyebrows to see if there is any errors. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and share, and also leave me a comment below. See you next time.